I'm still very angry at myself that I am down on Alibaba for the year, even though it actually is green year to date. It's May and the stock rallied above 80 for the very first time since December of last year. I should be up on Alibaba, but instead I'm down. I'm down a lot. And that is because of call options. I've been buying calls after calls, just keep averaging down, taking out loans to buy calls. And guess what? Most of my calls expired worthless. That means there is zero. The most amount I lost in one day on calls was April 19th. I lost $40,000 in one day. I let my calls expire worthless because I thought that Alibaba could recover by then. April 19th was at the very bottom. And guess what happened after that? It rallied. It rallied for 2 weeks straight. And those 2 weeks, I did not buy any calls whatsoever because I had no more money. Buying calls, it's all about timing. You have to time it well. And unfortunately, I did not. And you can see it's just been consolidating in this range here for the last year. So you can imagine how much money I've lost. Well, actually, a lot of people don't realize that you can lose a lot of money in options. And I mean a lot. And it's easy to lose money in options because you just keep averaging down until expiration dates. And you're like, holy, what the heck? Where did all the money go? So I'm going to go ahead and show you that I lost a lot of money in the month of April. So this is my TD Ameritrade account. You can see how many calls I had bought. I also had spreads, okay? I had put credit spreads. Most of these are Baba. Baba and Baidu are two of my biggest losses this year. You can see April 1st to April 30th. What does that say? Negative $92,000. I'm down more than that year to date, by the way. And it's all because I was stupid and careless and kept buying Alibaba and Baidu calls. And next thing you know, I'm down $14,000, $24,000. You can see real losses. I'm not even joking. I'm so angry that I just have to just talk it out. Like, what the heck was I doing? Why did I keep doing this to myself? And then it goes up and I'm just watching it go up because I have no more money. I can't even take out any more loans. At first I was like, yay, I can't lose any more money. But now it's like, oh, great. It just went, the Alibaba train just left without me. Look, April 19th was when I lost. That was at the very bottom. Went closed at 69.07. And then it just rallied. Rally. And I don't know. Could it possibly continue to go up? Because you can see here, there's a gap right here from 72 to 73.56. And most gaps, actually all the gaps, they got filled. I don't know what to do at this point because there's no way that I can possibly recover my losses just from Alibaba. I'm down since I've been trading, but I'm not talking about my losses in the past few years. I'm just talking about my losses this year. There's no way. Even if I bought shares, there's no way I can recover all my money unless Alibaba goes up to at least 300 at this point because I lost so much money in calls that the stock would need to rally to 300 if I have shares. Unfortunately, I should have just put my money in shares, but I was an idiot thinking that because options are a lot cheaper than shares. Because if you take a look at the options, so one share costs $81. One option costs $1.40. So that's why people buy options. But unfortunately, the risk of that is timing and it expires. So again, That is the danger of options. You have to time it well, whether it's calls or puts. Spreads are a little better, but even then, if the stock goes against you, you're going to lose a lot of money. So you can see the stock has been shit for the last 4 years. 319. Are we ever going to see this number? I don't think so. Like I said, even if I have shares, I will never recover from Alibaba unless it goes to 300. Like, how many shares would I need, and how much money would I need to invest in now, because I literally have no more money and I can't even take out loans anymore. So there you go. That's my story for on Alibaba and Baidu as well. I'm down on Baidu. So these Chinese stocks and Neo. So these Chinese stocks, I ruined my life with these Chinese stocks this year. I was dumb. I was an idiot in buying calls, whereas I should have just bought shares. But like I said, I have an addiction with these call options. It's very addicting. You just buy one. You can't stop at one. You just keep buying and buying, averaging down. Next thing you know, they just become worthless. They go to zero. Let me know. Did you make money this week on Alibaba? And did you take your profits? And thanks for watching.